This is pulling back out page 65. And when we're talking about page 65, this was where you had that food web, and we started adding in matter, and you just got done doing energy. So let's go ahead and add in energy. So I'm just going to say maybe dashes to represent energy. And when we're talking about energy, we know that energy first enters this food web food chain from the sun. So I'm just going to have the sun, and I want you to be writing this down as well. So we're just going to say it enters in through the sun. Well, when we're talking about our energy, yes, it enters in through the sun, but when we're talking about it now goes into the grass. Well, if we're talking about where could it go? Well, it could end up going to the snowshoe hare. Remember, it would only use 10% of it, but then 90% of it would get released as heat. So remember that 10% could go up to the snowshoe hare, and then the snowshoe hare uses it, 90% gets released as heat, then 10% is able for the snowshoe hare to use and go off to the badger. Again, 90% gets lost as heat. That 10% goes up to the bald eagle. And then finally, we know the bald eagle, 90% would get lost as heat, and it would use that 10% for it to be able to function. Also, if we're talking about decomposers, they're going to end up eating and using energy too. So 90% of theirs is going to get lost as heat, and they're going to use that 10% remaining that they use from whatever it is they ate.